today's video, I'll show you how to align lines in Canva to make your designs perfectly balanced. Start by opening your project in Canva. Go to the File menu at the top left, hover over Settings and click Show Rulers and Guides. This will display rulers along the top and side of your canvas, giving you a visual grid to work with. Now for the alignment. Click and drag from the top ruler to create a horizontal guide and position it where you need alignment. Do the same from the side ruler to create a vertical guide. These intersecting guides help you divide your canvas and align elements precisely, whether it's text, shapes, or images. The best part? These guides won't appear in your final design. They're just there to help you stay accurate and organized. And that's it. Using rulers and guides in Canva ensures your designs are neat, professional, and perfectly aligned. Practice these steps and elevate your design skills instantly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips.